6, Niju.
I'm Thomas Peterson. I'm VP of Quality.
I am Java Palaniyandi. I'm head of Release Engineering Group.
A few years back, we were in a situation where we couldn't explain reasonably to our customers the expectations they would have of how we would support the product. And so we needed a way of making sure that our release cycles were predictable and also that we had a long-term release cycle where they could feel comfortable knowing that their productions were on a stable branch, a stable version, and that we would support that version for the life cycle of their product. And that's how we ended up with the concept of a tech cycle and an LTS, long-term support cycle.
The tech stream is where we introduce new technology, new features.
You would use tech streams when you're in pre-production or up until the middle of the production. When you're at a place where you know you're going to ship and where you want to have a stable technology underlying your project, that's when you want to move into the LTS version.
We recommend LTS for anyone who wants to move into production in the next year or so they can stay in an LTS version, finish their project, and then they can support for a period after they have shipped their games. Each LTS version is supported for 2 years, which means there will be 2 LTS releases supported every year.
Most games today have a long lifespan. As a service, they can go 5-10 years, which means that if we have a 2-year LTS period, they have to upgrade during their lifetime. So another part of LTS is they can go from one safe haven to the next. They do have an upgrade to do, but they can go from a stable version to the next stable version where there's no features to come in and destabilize the tech that they're on. We sometimes decide to do a backport. When we do backports, we have to do backports chronologically back in time. So we do backporting for the important bugs back to the LTS versions as well.
Any SDK update brought in by any of the partners will be backported to LTS releases so that the customers can ship their game without any problem.